All right, you ready? Here we go. Welcome back to JC Motive Garage. So today I got a surprise for you. We got another car, my buddy's car that he bought. If you haven't checked out his Honda Civic video, I'll post a link right up here. You can check it out, fast forward it. You can check out his Honda Civic, but he sold that. He was doing work to it, and now he bought something else. So he brought it over to the garage. He's actually got a garage right down the road from us. So our garage is right down there and his is down this way. So we're gonna check it out. Wait till you see this and the work we're gonna be doing on this. So this is gonna be in the channel. So let's check it out. All right, so this is his garage here. Ours is right down there. First one right down there, and his is right down here. So he got a car, he went and picked it up, bought it, and we finally got it in here. So I'm gonna tell you what we need to do to it, but let's check it out. All right, you ready? Here we go. And there she is. 86 Camaro Z28. So we bought this. It's got a 350 4-bolt main in it, 5-speed. T-tops. Needs some work, but we're gonna be pulling the engine out on this and doing some work to it. It's got a rebuilt engine, but it's got a squeak. So yeah, we're gonna be doing some work to this. We're gonna be pulling the engine out, but first we got to figure out the ignition, because right here you see that they're all round keys. There's no square key, and the ignition is stuck. So we had to call a tow truck to come and pick it up right there, because it was sitting out there. We had to actually call a tow truck to come and lift it up and back it up in here. But it's a 5-speed. 5-speed. It's got a manual choke on it there. I know the dash needs to be replaced here. The floor pan down there needs to be welded in, so we're going to be doing all that. But everything works. T-tops, so we're gonna have to get a new headliner for this. But look at this, for 86 being in that good condition. Look at the back. If I can lift this seat up, look at that. 1986, freaking crazy how nice this car is. Needs some work, but let me lift this hood up and then and take a look at this engine. Wait till you see this. So let me lift this hood up and then I'll be right back. All right, so there you go. It's been rebuilt. It's got an Autobrock intake on it, Autobrock carburetor, manual choke. It's got a new fuel pressure regulator there, new battery, and it's squeaking. So I don't know if it's the rockers or it's the the crank bearings to the pistons. We don't know yet, so we're gonna have to get this thing started. But he ordered a new ignition for it, so we're gonna be doing that first and getting the ignition out and putting that in there, and then we'll be doing this hood is heavy, and the strut towers aren't working, so he's gonna have to get new strut things for it. But I'm gonna have to hold this up. But yeah, see, Edelbrock. So 350 4-bolt main with a turbo 350 transmission. It's got headers. We tried to undo the steering linkage there to the steering box, but we couldn't get it out. It was froze up, so he ended up having to call a tow truck over here to get it up. But other than that, I mean, new belts. Looks like it's got some new pulleys on it. So yeah, it's had some work done to it. So we're going to be pulling this engine out. Hopefully we don't have to. Hopefully it's just the rockers making the squeaking noise. But once we get it started, I'll throw a video in right now of it starting. The guy sent me a video of it, so you can watch this right now. And then I'll be right back. you watch the video of it squeaking, if anybody can comment down below, let me know what you think that might be. I greatly appreciate it. Just get some insight on what it is. We're going to be tearing it down. We're taking the valve covers off of it. We're going to be doing all that, and we're going to check the rockers, check the lifters and everything. Once we get it started, we'll try to see what we're going to do to it. But first, we're going to get the ignition switched out, and then we're going to drain the oil. We're drain the oil, see if there's any metal flakes or anything in the oil. Might drop the pan just to see. If we're going to pull it out anyways, pan will be off, so it'll be easy to get to. So we'll be doing it that way. But other than that, yeah, we're going to be doing work to this car. So this is his garage now. So he's going to be in here working with me and Corey on this car. Well, let's finish checking out this car. All right, so he said the weather stripping needs to be redone, which I can see right here. Weather stripping needs to be done for the T-tops here. And then the floor pan, which I was saying, it sinks down right here. You can see, I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah, it sinks down. It goes like this, and then it goes, dips down, almost like a swimming pool. But yeah, we're gonna pull the carpet out and probably weld a new piece in there. It probably needs to be done. I'm gonna pull the rockers on it. I haven't been underneath this thing. Let's check it out underneath. I haven't been underneath this thing to see what actually has been done to it here. I can see it's got side pipes right there, and looks like, yeah, looks like it's just got a little muffler right there, and it's just got side pipes out the one side. So both the headers come off right there, and then it goes to a little muffler right there, and then comes back, and it comes back right off the side here. So those are both the exhausts sitting there. Looks like it's got halfway decent tires on it. They're Goodyear tires, so that's nice. And the hubcaps, sorry about that. Hubcaps, Z28 on it, so that's nice. Wanted to check out the frame here to see if it's actually, yeah, there's a little bit of rust right there in the floor pan, so that's probably, yeah, that's probably right there where that dips down. So we'll see. Looks like they had to probably gonna put exhaust on this and probably just put them straight out the back. We don't know yet, but looks like they had to bend that just a little bit there just to get that just to get this exhaust in here. It's probably restricted right there. So the other one's not like that, just this one. So let's check out the back. Let's check out the back leaf springs and all that. Let's jump back here and see if we can get back here in the back. So yeah, there's a little bit of rust, a little bit of body work needs to be done to it, but I'm gonna be doing all that. I don't know if the trunk will open. I don't know. He's not here, so I don't want to mess anything up. But I just wanted to get a look at it real quick just to see. Doesn't look too bad, other than that one spot there. Gas tank right there. Probably pull the gas tank down, redo it. You know, fix that little spot and redo that. But other than that, I mean, she looks good for what he paid for it. So, you know, she needs cleaned up. But it's got the blacked out tail lights in the back, so that looks nice. Blacked out tail light, blackout tail light. So, yeah, looks nice. It's a little bit of rust there, but we can fix all that. But probably needs a new, looks like it needs new door hinges right here. Looks like they've been sitting. It's on my Mustang, my 79 Mustang that I had to redo the hood, the pins on it too. So, yep. Let's see if we can get this thing, see if we can get it fired up real quick. Let's try it. Let's jump in here and try this real quick. See what I'm saying about the ignition right here? I don't know if you can really see. Right here. So the key goes in and it won't turn. Even with pushing the little thing down here, it won't turn. It won't turn there, and it won't unlock. It's locked. But it goes into gear. Goes into gear nice, neutral. Goes into all the gears. So And then it's got the manual choke right there, Edelbrock manual choke on it. So we're going to be moving that so we can actually put a radio in here and put some speakers in here. But I think it's got, let's see here, what does that say? Come on, focus. Focus, focus, focus. I don't know, it's not really focusing on that. There you go. So that's the mileage on it. I don't know if that's correct because, you know, the engine's been rebuilt, transmission's been rebuilt, and all that. Needs a new dash pad. But other than that, I mean, this car's nice. Car's nice. It'll look nice when we get done with it. But yeah, make sure I close that, so that would be good. So yep, 86 Z28 350 4-bolt main, turbo 350 transmission. So it's got T-tops. So we'll be doing work to this here soon. We'll be pulling the engine. So we got to leave the ignition out and do that first. But it looks like must have got HID headlights already installed here and there. So he's gonna be throwing some money into this. But this is gonna be our new one of our new projects on the channel. 86 Z28. Alright, so if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at JC Motive Garage. So we got the RSX coming up here. We got some work to be done to that, some body work and some other stuff that I got planned for it. So that's going to be an upcoming video. We got the Jeep top. That's going to be replaced here soon. So that's going to be an upcoming video. And then I got some bushings for the door because the door doesn't close. So I'm replacing all the bushings in the Jeep. So that's another upcoming video. And then we got some work on the Integra. So we got some content planned for you guys. So if you can give us a big thumbs up, make sure you give us a thumbs up on our videos. That lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job and I'm showing my videos and you guys like them. It will show them that you guys like what I'm putting out as far as content and stuff like that. So the more thumbs up I get, the more views I get and the more subscribers I get. And I would just greatly appreciate it if you could do that for me. So you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at JC Motive Garage. So stay tuned for more content. We got a lot planned for you guys. So if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you next time on JC Motive Garage. Thanks for watching.